This motorhome's the Eura Mobil Integra line 720 QF, and if you want one of these, you're going to have to put your hands on 123,000 euros. It is 758 centimeters in length and 232 in width. At its highest point, it's 288. You see, you've got a bed there above the cabin. There is a lounge here with a centrally placed table. There's the kitchen. It's got 3 burners, a molded sink with drainage tray and storage above it. If I come to the back here, you'll see we've got this very large queen bed. You may think that that bed is very high. It is very high. The reason it's high is because it's adjustable, and if you want more space in the garage, up goes the bed. If you can manage without so much space in the garage and you have difficulty getting in, then the bed can drop down. To get into the bed, note that there are steps all the way round. Beside the bed, there's this very elegant shower unit with distinctive Eura Mobil look to it, and 2 drainage holes in at the bottom. Here we have the toilet, which has a bowl for a sink. I'm not so keen on the bowl, but that's just me. The floor is flat, or at least it is until you get to the steps around the bed. That is because there is a double floor here, and there's a bit of storage within the double floor. Now, you may be interested in seeing more on this vehicle, and in that case you would want to see a longer video I did on it. There's of course a fridge as well, a tower fridge in the kitchen. Here we can see the garage, which is the maybe the strong point. Note the bed up here and the struts, which will either take it up or lower it depending on requirement. But nonetheless, there's a huge amount of storage in here. So it's a storage wonder, as they say in German. I've tried to do this video quite quickly to give a quick overview of the vehicle. Of course, as I say, if you want more, there's a link below to give you a better view in more detail of it. There should also be some information in the description. I upload every day at 21:15, and so if you're interested, then you might want to subscribe. But for the moment, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.